I've been a software engineer for about 30 years and software architect for probably about 10. Actually, that's the only thing I know how to do well. That's also my hobby, so I have a lot of passion for software engineering and computers. I like to learn all the time, so one of the challenges is this field changes continuously. And a few years ago, with the advent of cloud, I looked around and I said, well, I need to keep my skills sharp and I need to be good at my job. And the employer I work for, we have all the possible cloud providers. So that's the challenge. I need to know a little bit of everything. I searched on the internet like everybody does, and I tried different companies like yours. For a while, I tried several ones, and then I focused more on Cloud Academy. So I started more with, let me learn to improve my skills. Then I think that with COVID and all these things that happen today, it's also good to have a certificate on the resume. So my employer was focused a couple of years ago on AWS. So I learned that for 6 months. I was actually pretty close to take an exam. Then the whole strategy changed to Azure. So I had to change my priorities as well. It's the labs. I like the hands-on labs. And the other thing I like about them is there is also a check button to see if I've done things properly. I liked also the challenges, the new thing that I think they were introduced a few months ago. So because I'm a hands-on learning, I mean, I like to learn the theory to some point, but just the theory itself doesn't work for me, so I need to try. And also I like your instructors. They seem to know what they're talking about. I mean, I tried other places and it's so boring. It's somebody reading a script and it's like, well, you don't understand what you're doing. So when I also learn from an exam, you all have that learning path for the exam, and it's easy to find the information that belongs together. I like the dashboards. I also like the website. It's very easy to find something that I need the information. As I said, I tried different cloud to learn, right? So I think that for Azure is Thomas Mitchell lately. When I was learning AWS was Stuart Scott. I think it's a little bit of both. The beginning of the week is really busy for me. I have meetings and projects. I think towards the end is when I focus more on learning, especially Fridays like today. Depending on how busy I am, I find an hour or two or more, and sometimes even during the weekend.